to sit and then I cannot fire the presiding chair. So bakit?
Yes, we
Bakit napaka one-sided nito, ma'am?
noted po
Dahil ba madami kayo dyan sa kabila at nag-iisa ako dito?
your comments, ma'am, and let us now proceed. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Madam Chair, point of order.
Yes, the Honorable Benny Abante.
I just came in and I hear this. We're not talking about the budget. We're accusing each other here. I'd like to find out from the resource speaker if this is the kind of hearing that we're going to have.
Sir, I am not the presiding officer of this hearing.
I know,
Yes, sir.
but the thing is, you're asking questions, Madam Chair. The resource speaker does not have any right to ask questions. Or do you have?
Where is that
Madam Vice
in your
President,
rules that
Madam Vice
resource
President,
person
this is a
cannot
budget hearing.
request for clarification?
Some order, please. Some order, please. Yes, Honorable Benny Abante, may proceed.
I'm just asking a question to our resource speaker, you know, because she's asking a question and she's accusing some of the members of this committee. I just would like to find out if we are the ones that have the right to ask questions and her right is to answer the questions of the committee.
Okay, so we
Yun lang po sa akin yung point of order, Madam Chair.
Yes.
I think you understand me,
Salamat.
Madam Vice President, am I right?
No, sir. I'm gonna ask the chair to ask you to clarify what are my accusations.
Yeah, please wait to be recognized, ma'am. Pasensya na po. So again, I'd like to remind our resource persons that you are here, you're invited to answer, to present, and you've done that. Thank you very much. And at this point in time, you're here to respond to the questions of our members, and we request you to please respond in a direct way. So, with that, I'd like to recognize from the majority the Honorable Milagros Aquino Magsaysay. You have the floor, ma'am.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Magandang hapon po sa ating lahat, sa ating committee chairperson at sa aking mga kasama sa Kongreso at ganun din po sa ating mga panauhin mula sa OVP sa pangunguna ng ating Vice President, Sara Duterte, Carpio at iba pang sangay ng gobyerno. Madam Chair, meron lang po akong dalawang maikling katanungan na nais kong mabigyan ng linaw. Ang una ay nais kong itanong sa OVP kung meron po bang mga programa ang inyong opisina patungkol sa ating mga minamahal na senior citizens. At kung meron po, pwede po bang paki-furnish ang aking office ng listahan para naman po alam ko kung ano po ang isasabihin ko sa aking mga senior citizen na pakinabangan naman sa Office of the Vice President. Pangalawa po, sa COA, nais ko pong itanong para po sa mga hindi masyadong nakakaunawa, pakipaliwanag po kung ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng Notice of Disallowance at ano po ba ang ibig sabihin kung ang iyong opisina ay mabigyan nito. Yan lang po, Madam Chair, at muli magandang hapon po sa lahat.
Okay, salamat. Let's begin with the first question, Madam Vice President.
Madam Chair, we do not distinguish for the recipients of our projects. Senior citizens can readily avail of the medical and burial assistance, the Magnegosyo Taday, and other projects of the OVP, including the kalusugan food trucks during calamities and the libreng sakay. So, ma'am, hindi po kami nag-exclude ng mga senior citizens. Welcome po sila lahat sa mga projects ng Office of the Vice President.
Salamat, Madam Vice President. So, pwede kong sabihin sa aking mga senior citizens na pwede silang mag-avail ng medical assistance and financial assistance.
Yes, ma'am, of course. And
Thank
then
you.
we do have the senior citizen express lane, ma'am, for senior citizens
Thank you.
sa aming mga opisina. Your second question, ma'am, is the notice of
Madam
disallowance.
Vice President, I believe that was addressed to
Sa
the chair.
ko po inano yung question.
So,
Okay.
which means the chair recognizes our Assistant Commissioner Alexander Oliano, sir.
Madam Chair, good afternoon. Ang notice of disallowance po ay, ang ibig sabihin niya, hindi pwede yung expenditure kasi either irregular, unnecessary, excessive, extravagant, or unconscionable. Pero hindi po nangangahulugan na pagka may notice of disallowance ay yun na yung final kasi meron pa pong appeal process sa commission. Hanggang hindi po na-resolve ng commission proper yan, doon po masasabi talaga na yung ground ng notice of disallowance ay tama. Pero meron pa rin pong karapatan ng persons liable na mag-apila sa Supreme Court po. Ang final determination po do sa notice of disallowance to the Supreme Court.
So, ibig sabihin po nito, kung may notice of disallowance po, ay ibig sabihin hindi tama yung paggastos ng pondo. Ganun po ba yon?
Yun po yung naging evaluation ng auditor na nag-audit po ng
Okay.
transaction.
Salamat po. That's all, Madam Chair. Thank you very much.
Salamat. Next to interpolate from the minority, we have the Honorable Arlene Process.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Madam Chair, first of all, Madam Chair, I would like to ask that it be stricken from the record yung talks about issues related to the case of Congresswoman Franz Castro because it is not related in the budget hearing. Madam Chair.
Honorable Process, could you please introduce the appropriate motion?
Yes, Madam Chair, I move that it be stricken off the record the issues pertaining or related to the case of Honorable Franz Castro, which was said by the resource person. Madam Chair.
Okay. Is there an objection? Hearing none, the same is
Objection,
approved.
Madam Chair.
What is the objection?
Objection is it is a fact that there was a conviction. Period, Madam Chair.
And
Yes, Madam
Honorable
Chair, I believe it is not related to the briefing and it is being appealed right now. So, Madam Chair, wala po tayo sa disposisyon para pag-usapan yun dito. And Madam Chair, ang hinihiling ko lang ay tanggalin yun sa record, Madam Chair. And it is very, I think it is reasonable to ask that of the committee, Madam Chair.
right, given that there is an objection, we divide house. Before we divide house, the Honorable Gloria Macapagal-Arroyo.
Madam Chair, before on my part, before I can decide on whether I will agree or join the objection, I've not heard of this case before. Can we know a little bit more about this case?
Madam Chair.
Yeah. Alvarez, I believe that this is not the proper forum to discuss the case. So, with all due respect, Madam
Madam Chair,
Gloria Macapagal-Arroyo, yes.
I just want to make
before
a
we
motion,
divide-
Madam Chair.
We need to rule on
Just a minute. Just in line with the Office of the Vice President, talking about the case of Franz Castro and our Honorable Aaron Rosas, once that all the records about the utterances be deleted from this hearing. I also move, Madam Chair, that yung utterances ni Franz Castro na illegal yung disbursement, hindi siya dapat ang magpaliwanag ng illegal. So I want to have that taken off the record. Thank you.
Madam Chair, can I explain why I voted in the negative?
okay,
Just an explanation, Madam Chair. You know, Madam Chair, I have been in the Congress, this Congress for a long time.
excuse me,
May I explain, Madam Chair? This is very relevant, Madam Chair, very relevant. Very relevant. Just give me a few minutes. You know, I have been in this Congress for a long time. Even in the plenary, even in the committee hearing, kapag sinabi mo, be stricken off the record, nandyan pa rin yung words. Ilagyan lang ng underline, parang i-cross. Di ba? So, nababasa pa rin yun. And, kaya nga, sabi ko, i-strike mo from the record or not, nandyan pa rin yung words, hindi yun mawala. I-cross lang yan. Maraming matatagal na dito sa Kongreso. Look at the records. It says, for example, what you say, Claudio Bautista is handsome. And you want to say, you want to strike that from the record, i-cross lang yan. And it's still there. Yun, Madam Chair.
Yes, thank you. That is duly noted. And as we vote, you can take note of the observation of the Honorable Sid Ungab. So, those in favor of the motion, please raise your hands. To strike out the utterances in relation to the case.
Madam Chair, clarificatory.
Yes, Honorable.
Just to be clarified, there was a prior motion to strike off the records utterances in relation to the alleged case of the Honorable Franz Castro. There was another motion, I believe, to also strike off the record the...
No. We do it sequentially first.
Can we request the chair to reiterate?
Yes.
Please.
Okay, so there is a motion introduced by Arlene Brosas. Could you please repeat?
Madam Chair, may I move that the issues and the words pertaining to specifically to the case of Honorable Franz Castro be stricken off the record. It was made, or the utterances were made specifically by the Vice President, Madam Chair.
So those in favor of the motion, again, to delete, raise your hand. And the committee secretary, kindly take note of the votes. Those who are not in favor of the motion, this time, please raise your hands. Okay, so the vote.
46.
Okay, those in favor, 46. Those not in favor, 2. So the motion is carried. Sorry, those not in favor, 3. So with that, the motion is carried.
Madam Chair, there was
There
a
is
motion, additional motion.
And there is a second motion introduced by the Honorable Jose Alvarez. Could you kindly read the
The
motion?
other motion, Madam Chair, is to strike off the records the utterances of our Honorable Franz Castro about the illegality of the way that the ACOA reported the NDA, and as far as she is concerned, she is not the final judge on whether that notice of allowance already final or not. Thank you.
Madam Chair, may I explain?
Yes, Honorable Franz
So, yung
Castro.
sinabi ko po, Madam Chair, kanina, on the comment on the notice of the disallowance worth 73.287 million, sinabi ko po, ito po ay illegal in accordance with the joint circular. Tama naman po, no? Kasi hindi to tumutugma doon sa mga letters according to the joint circular. So, yun po yung tinutukoy ko, Madam Chair. Hindi ko naman sinasabing, wala naman po akong binanggit na final na ito. No? Sinabi lang natin na hindi ito in accordance with the joint circular, Madam Chair. Thank you po.
And the Honorable Alvarez,
Madam-
is that the statement that you wish to be stricken off the record?
Yeah, with the ones that she said that is illegal, because the notice of disallowance, the office, any government office has the right to appeal the decision of the COA. And before the exit conference on the appeal could be formulated, there is nobody guilty of any offense.
I second the motion, Madam Chair.
Madam Chair, was it objected to, the motion of Representative Alvarez? Kasi we can only proceed with the voting if there's...
Is there any objection? Is there any objection to the motion of the Honorable Alvarez?
Yes, I'd like to explain my objection.
Yes,
Madam
please,
Chair.
the Honorable...
I think nasa ano na po yun, nasa task ng ating committee secretariat to accurately quote and put kung ano talaga ang nasabi ng ating colleague. So, yun na po ang magiging batayan, and it's up to the members of the House and the public to appreciate kung ano yung mga nasabi. But I believe that the topic is really connected to our discussion right now, which is how the OVP used its budget and how it will use its future budget, Madam
Yes.
Chair.
1 minute suspension while we produce a transcript so I can read the exact statement.